Focus on breaking news that's coming in. This one in connection with the Morbi bridge collapse. No relief for Oreva Group MD, where the session court now has denied bail to Jaysukh Patel. So that's the big breaking news coming in terms of the Morbi bridge collapse. Remember, in this particular case, he was sent to jail on February 8th in the particular tragic incident that took place last year. My colleague Siddharth joins me on the broadcast over the phone line. Siddharth, good afternoon. Clearly a big significant development, no respite for the Oreva Group MD as the session court has denied bail. Talk to us more on that front.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a very big setback at this point of time when the case is at its peak and justice is still yet to be given. Oreva Group MD Jaysukh Patel has been denied the interim bail by the district and sessions court in Morbi at this point of time. And, before this also, when the matter was in the High Court, where the petition was taken up, the suo motu petition, the High Court also rightly mentioned that there is not going to be any kind of relief as far as the legal process of the case is concerned. He was also in trouble because he will now also have to pay the compensation, and in his interim, the bail application plea has been rejected. So what was told by Jaysukh Patel's lawyer in the court, that he told that he needs to sign some papers, and that is very important for the group as for the compensation also to be given. But again, the lawyer on the government side, they made sure for the victims, they said that it is not necessary for Jaysukh Patel to go out and sign. He can influence the victims, he can influence the case. So keeping all these things, very significant factors into consideration, the Morbi Sessions Court has denied the bail plea to Jaysukh Patel. Again, in the days to come, what kind of legal actions and what kind of legal proceedings will be taken against him, we'll get to know after the whole order comes up in front of the media.
Absolutely, Siddharth. As you, of course, point out the legal aspect of it, the other part being that the SIT report was also crucial in terms of that. If you could talk to us about where the investigation stands currently with those findings.
Last time when the SIT was presented in the High Court, the High Court totally saw this thing as a compensation, how the compensation will be given to the victims, because it is all about justice being provided to the victims. And the court has also made sure that the case does not go derail just in the name of compensation. It should not be like that if you do such a big thing and give the compensation and you just flee away. So, and that is exactly what had happened with Jaysukh Patel. After the incident took place, he was not to be seen for 2.5, 3 months. So that was a big question mark, not just for the authorities, but for for Jaysukh Patel also. The case at this point of time, after this, he will again try to go and file another plea. Maybe he'll be going to the High Court. That we'll have to see what legal options does he have. But he has some legal options. But this is a very big setback. Another suo motu case will be taken up. The High Court matter is still going on. So we might see another hearing in the few days where regarding the compensation, what kind of process has been taken, how much compensation has been given, how much grants have been given, what is the procedure going on. That is again altogether going in the Gujarat High Court. But this is a big setback as far as the Sessions Court is concerned in Morbi. He has the power. Now he and the action,
Right.
he has an option also to pull up his voice against this this judgment in the Gujarat High Court. So it remains to be seen in the days to come that what option does Jaysukh Patel take.
Right, Siddharth. Thank you very much for getting us those inputs, and we leave it at that for the moment. But